Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing another video because I got some new stuff to play with. So as many of you might know if you've watched a lot of my videos, I'm a MAC girl. I love MAC Cosmetics and I love how they support artists. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, since I've already cleansed and moisturized, is our primer. This is the SmashBox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, the Prep Brush. I'm using all Real Techniques brushes, so I'm going to try to get out of the habit of saying Real Techniques Prep Brush, Real Techniques Deluxe Crease. They're all Real Techniques brushes unless I say otherwise, so I'm just going to give the name. This is the Prep Brush. MAC Strobe Cream in Peachlite and the Complexion Blender brush. MAC Prep and Prime Highlighter in Peach Luster. Miracle Complexion Sponge. MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in C4. Expert Face Brush. MAC Studio Fix Foundation Stick in NW50. Stippling brush. MAC Prep and Prime Highlighter in Radiant Rose. Expert Edge Large Brush. MAC Invisible Setting Powder with the Miracle Powder Sponge. I'm going back into my MAC Pretty and Punk palette for today's look. Starting with a Bold Metals Collection 200 brush. I'm using this like chartreusey green one right here. Deluxe crease brush and this little blue guy right there. Rebel Edge Fine brush and this purple right here. Defining crease brush. Instapop shade brush, and going back in with that same purple. Base shadow brush, and this pearlescent white guy right here. MAC Eye Kohl pencil in Smolder. Definer brush, and the black shadow, which, I mean, might be carbon, but I'm not sure. Benefit Roller Eye Bright pencil. Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. Let's go back in with the black from the Pretty and Punk palette, and this is the Instapop crease brush. Setting brush. Let's go back in with a little bit more of that highlighter color and the base shadow brush. And let's dip into this silvery guy right here. MAC Dazzleshadow Liquid in Love Yourself. Going back in with the Rebel Edge brush Fine and the black from the Pretty and Punk palette. Defining crease brush. Shu Uemura eyelash curler. MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty. Before I take all the powder off, I'm going to prep my false lashes by getting a little bit of my Duo Lash adhesive in dark on there. And I'm using some custom lashes that I've snipped into 3 little pieces. Cutting lashes into 3 separate pieces just makes it a little bit easier to apply them and to get them to stick, because one side of the band isn't fighting with the other side of the band. All right, and then while that sets up, let's just go ahead and clean up on aisle face. We'll just clean up all this powder. setting brush and Studio Fix in Shivering White. Milani, Stay Put All Day 17, no, sorry. Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. Rebel Edge Broad Brush and MAC Taupe. Artist Powder Brush with the MAC Bronzing Powder in Matte Bronze. Blush brush, and then keeping with our Pretty in Punk palette theme for today, we're going to go in with this sort of lavendery, purpley color. Extra Dimension SkinFinish in Double Gleam and the Rebel Edge medium brush. I just posted in a recent video some samples of some new Runway Rogue lipsticks that I got from my friend Patricia. I'm going in with Guest List, which is the palest, beigey pinky nude, and underneath that, Runway Rogue liquid lipstick in Sex Symbol. And then quickly before that dries, I'm going to use my lip smudge brush just around the border. Lip brush. Let's use a little bit of our highlighter. MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Shimmer Spray in Pink Light. Powder brush. And that's it. Voila, we are done. I'm going to put some hair on, finish the look. You guys can see the finished product in the photo following this video. If you guys can, please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.